Maxers. Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi. Hi. Everyone laughed and teased Boomer for being afraid of the little bee. Who'd want a scaredy cat for a service dog, he thought. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's trying to get into our tent? Ah. Embarrassed, Boomer ran away as fast as he could. How would he ever find a family to serve now? Just then, a truck roared by heading toward an old man carrying groceries. Uh-oh. Boomer darted into the road and pushed the man to safety. But instead of being grateful, the old man yelled at Boomer for pouncing on him. Shoo, he shouted, bad dog. Ooh. Boomer whimpered and walked away. Hi. She says, oh no! She must be allergic to dogs, he thought. She says, he loves me not. He loves me not. He loves me. And the girl skipped away. Then he brought her petals in his mouth all wet. She said, oh no.
Maxers.
Time to keep looking. Then Boomer heard cheers and a loud crack in the distance.